got 15 minutes to market open. Morning, Osama. So there's that pop. There's all those stacked highs that we ran. So from here, I don't know where we go, but we took all that out real quick. We did leave equal highs there. That's good. I'm gonna get out there.
Order filled.
And now we're gonna wait and see what happens today. Morning, everybody. So I closed out that trade. I didn't like how we were forming this with price. We could keep shooting up, but we did like two inversions. This on a 30-second, I think, and this on the minute. That's a really nice swing high. We're such at all-time highs. I'm anticipating the pullback. We have open in less than 7 minutes. We could just shoot to the stars right off open. But I do expect, because we're just so bullish, that we'll get a bit of a pullback, because some people are just going to FOMO long off open. That it's just going to automatically, if there's enough of those people, it's going to automatically liquidate by just selling off. And then maybe we get a reversal for longs again in discount. So we really do have to wait for at least the break of the 50%. We could take longs after this low is swept. Personally, I would like for this alert inside Asia, this bullish gap to get swept. And then we have this bullish gap right here, a bit below Asia. And the reason for that is if you look on the 4-hour, this is in between the wicks of a 4-hour and just sweeping that 4-hour. And this is inside the 4-hour. And then even further on the hour, you'll see this one is inside the hourly bullish, and this one is inside the hourly bullish just below this hourly low. So there, I think these are some really great liquidity pools for us to at least pop off of and get a break-even trade at the worst case. And that's, of course, if we pull back. So we have to wait and see. market open. Oh yeah, almost wanted to take that short. Oh God, why didn't I do that? I'll still do it for science.
Order filled.
I'm playing with my profits, but I really think we'll dump a bit. That's pretty bearish from right there. So I'm short. Me, dude. Stop loss is right at 170. I don't think we go higher unless we bite into that bearish gap here. Oh, but now we have the bullet. Fuck. Are we super bullish with a government shutdown with the uncertainty? Did we just creep up and grab it right off open? That'd be tricky. That'd be a pretty. ES is pushing. Oof, that's quite a wick we have to fall into. ES has some distance to travel here. I like what NQ's doing. I like what NQ's doing. Ew, yes. Oh, you bitch. Listen. Listen to NQ. Come on. If that hourly closes under that, that could be almost a good trade in itself. It's obviously a super high time frame, so you probably get retracement. Oh fuck you, ES. Where's that coming from? Seriously, I look away for a minute. What the fuck? What was this? Oh, you son of a bitch. Really have to start to. If ES can, yes. If ES can just yes. Okay. All right. Very good. Very good. Anybody in the short? Come on. Someone is with me? That was your reentry, I guess. We just. Oh, it's equal highs. I want to keep you guys disciplined traders, but that was pretty good. I mean, on the 1 minute, this right here, you had your bearish SMT. Um, so you're 50 points in profit. All right, so oh wait, hang on. Yeah. What was the 147? Well, this is looking a little bit bullish. Yeah. Nice vision. Gabriel, are you in the shorts? It was risky because we are leaving all-time high. You did short all-time high. The way we died off here on both indices, the bearish SMT, the death candle here right off open. I don't know. We could just be. Oh yeah. ES is probably just grabbing liquidity at this point. Hang on. All right, sweet. I'm glad I got out of that long. That was fucking beautiful. Would have been a fucking break-even trade. All right, we're tapping 50% on NQ. ES is holding up. ES has to start to match up with NQ. It is acting bearish. It is. We have to get through this bullish gap. You see, there's a little bit left here. So now ES has dipped into it. Let's not just pump. Let's continue the downtrend. Let's create a lower low even. That'd be nice. NQ has dipped its toes into the 50, into discount. And ES dipped in very nicely into that bullish gap, so we have to now fill this. I need to see a body close under here. Body close under here would be great. ES closing under 6772 would be really nice. On the 5 in less than 2 minutes, 1 minute. Oh shit. Let's close below. I want to see the 5 minute not only close below this bullish gap, but I want the body to close into discount. That'd be just added confidence. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It heard me. The market was like, what'd you say? You need lower? Okay. Heard. NQ's doing its thing. Oh shit, we're making money today. I haven't looked at it yet. That's the other thing. Don't look at your profits while you're in a trade. That'll fuck up your mental clarity. All right, where the hell was Asia London low? They're right here. Okay. All right. We're dumping. We're pushed up. We're dumping. And we're taking them out. This could be the start of the ultimate dump. Look at this death candle. I mean, it needs a little bit more to be really scary. This one candle in 20 more minutes would need to come down like here. But I mean, when you start to zoom out, it certainly looks like, we took all-time highs, we crept down, we grabbed it again, and now like that right there could be all-time highs that we leave for a while. You know what I mean? We could be leaving that and doing one of these again or worse. Taking this low out or something. You know? Holy shit. We just crushed London low. Asia low is about to get smacked. Where's Samson? Oh man, is he really asleep? He's sleeping through. He's not here. That's all right. It's okay. So guys, really could see a pullback, or not a pullback. Could see the reversal happen at my mark here inside Asia. We have a bullish gap. It's more, yeah, see, it's this. It's more about the swing low in this bullish gap that I'm scared about. That's what I'm most concerned with. And we're forming, if this keeps coming down here, oh, there comes ES. See, ES is following. So that's better. I like that we're not at least forming like an internal SMT. I want ES to come into this bullish gap. NQ is about to do it. This would be a really good place for a reversal long. You would at least probably get a break-even trade. You got the swing low. You've got a nice bullish gap. Once we break, literally the low is once we break 25,040, 25,039.75. That is a point where you could start to look for an inversion long. Although I do like 24,992 better, but this right here, 25.4, I might actually just TP at this 25. Yeah, that'll be over 100 points on this trade. So that'll be, oh Jesus. All right. All right, now we're trailing stop pretty fucking heavy. 90. Oof, I really just want to TP, to be honest with you guys. And I'm gonna.
Order filled.
Order filled. I usually would hold. I really would, to be honest, but we're so close to all-time high. That is one hell of a candle, I'll tell you, but we're either going to reverse here or right here. I don't think we go much lower. I think, I don't know. I don't know what to think. I don't know. Still in up crazy. Nice, me too. All right, gonna do the other trade recap. So this one got at 9:30 on the dot. That's wild. I don't know how many trades I entered at 9:30 exactly. That's crazy. No, no, what the fuck am I doing? We'll call it that. It was less than that, but whatever. 25047. Here's your long. Yeah, 15-second right there. Although that's kind of shitty. I'm gonna be honest, it's really shitty. A 15-second, you want it to be the swing low, the picture perfect. You don't want to be grabbing at straws for a 15-second long. Although this is popping. I would say that you could take the minute if this closes over because you've got a distance here for the next liquidity pool, and we're still in discount, right? Even with the close over. And there's a lot of gaps there that close at the same level. You see that right about at 76. See, 76 on the 3 minute. 70. No, it's a little higher, 78. But you get the idea. So if you get a close significantly like 78, then you know on the minute you're looking pretty good. And that 78 down to 58, that's 20 points there. I would almost take that long again. We're on a heater. Although this could just be a fake pump for more dumpage. Or we'll get a false pump manipulation, like come back down, take these lows, and then go back up. Anyway, this is 25047. All right. Oh, we're not getting the close over on NQ, by the way, so hopefully no one took the long. We did not get the close over on the minute. Dumping more. Oh, man. Longs will be super valid. Yeah. Technically, once Asia low is swept, but we have lower for the daily low. You see that? And then we might create a bullish SMT delivering out of here with Asia. If those line up, they haven't yet, so it's just a hypothetical. What was I doing? Not just yet. We have to. Okay, there's Asia low swept. So, and we're heading into the 9:50 10 a.m. macro. So we have just a minute here for 10 a.m. reversal. This is actually perfect. So let's wait for. Oh shit! Is it going? I don't love how these candles formed, but yeah, I don't love how this looks. We'll probably go a little lower. Oh shit! There we go. Nope. Never mind. Up. Damn. All right, that didn't close over. It's doing some fuckery. We came down hard, but this might be a little more chopping down. It just swept that Asia, London low. Asia low. Just swept Asia low. ES closed over on the minute. Yeah, I'm in. Oh, I didn't click it.
Order filled.
Oh, now I regret clicking it. I better go. Better fucking run. I'm gonna do a 34 stop. Keep it really tight. Break even's right here. 71.75. Oh, I don't like that. I don't like that. Oh, you bitch. All right, that's fine. Tight stop. I didn't know.
Stop filled.
Stop food. Okay, that's fine. Now I'm gonna take the long there. Once we cross 24,992.50. No, we're not respecting bullish fair value gaps here, so I don't think this is gonna just produce. It could. On higher time frames, it's still just like chop, but once you zoom out just a little bit, when you get to like what was it, the 3 minute here, and you see this dump and then kind of like order blocks and chop, but in a descending fashion, what I see is that we're going to come up into here somewhere and then continue down. We need displacement. We need a real with momentum sweep again of sell side. I think that'll be where we just like dump for a quick second into here and get a reversal. We need to move away from this. And it might do that to the bullish buy side, but I think we're just going to take some of this IRL buy side, come back down, and get more sell side for the long because this is although I've seen it take off from something like this, it's not my entry. I'm not going to do that. It didn't deliver, right? You see where it just didn't deliver? Although I like this. I like that. I like that. I'm gonna wait. I'm waiting for my level to get swept. That did close over. For some, you could have gone long here. You're only 2 points ahead of the fills. Now 4, you could still get in, and then stop loss at 30. So you got about a 30-point stop, 25, 30-point stop. That's not bad. Oh, so that is definitely delivering. That's an order block. It's going. I gotta wait. I'm waiting. Did anybody take that long though? That was pretty good. Anybody, Marcus?
Yes, sir. I did.
Nice.
I don't know. I just liked it.
No, it's good. There was a change of state here. You got your
Thanks,
higher low, market structure shift rather. Bit of a displacement here. This candle closing, but not taking out all the IRL buy side, and then order block, order block. Hopefully, this closes the next candle over for a propulsion block. Damn. Oh, paper trade. Damn, don't you wish that was real paper, real money? Up 10 racks.
Not looking good.
You never know. This is the next candle. You have, well, okay. Oh, that's why you never give up.
A little bit too choppy for me.
ES is definitely consolidating. You see how we're kind of creating a wedge. So something's going to happen. Either breaks out, we're going to dump. It just gets to a point, and then we're pretty much at that point in the next like 4 minutes tops. Oh, here you go. Here you go. Here, you know what I'll do?
Okay. Stop to break even. Oh, dang. Sammy's asleep.
Yeah, I know.
No.
Order filled.
That's a shame. Made Nate. I made $9. That's fine with me, man.
You're a rich man. Go out
Yeah.
and stimulate the economy, please. Buy something.
Dang, bro.
We could still be going. I mean, that just was a stop hunt. Could be. I wouldn't take the short. In discount still. We're creeping up. ES is playing fuck a lot. Fuck around. Oh, that looks really good. Look at that. That was beautiful. It's got 9 RR today. Pretty good.
Is ES just holding it back?
No, the market itself is a little bit more bullish. So the Qs are up. SPY is just up on the day. And you got a lot of big Google, Salesforce, Meta, Nvidia, Adobe,
AMD.
yeah, Broadcom, AMD, MicroStrategy. They're all up today. The only like Tesla, Microsoft, Palantir, Oracle, Amazon, Netflix are like the big ones down.
What'd you say?
Just like just the ones that are up and down. Most of my watch list
I'm
is
pretty sure.
Huh? Are you on the phone, Ryan? Yes, he was on the phone. So this is a IRL buy side liquidity sweep venture. That's where we're heading. We're heading to like premium or just up here. We got our 10 a.m. quote unquote reversal. We could continue up. I just don't think we will. It's just there's no momentum, and ES is already like displacing down below these lows. So, and there we go. So now we just wait. Now we wait for our level here to get swept. That's the next best one. although it's below the daily low, we're really close. So I'm willing to wait and not take any inversion that we get right off the daily low. We'll probably get a pop anyway because again, there hasn't been orders below here since 7:30 yesterday. So yeah, I definitely think we might even go lower than this. We might deliver out of somewhere in here. But I think that's a great place to look, considering the daily range getting swept, and then the hourly low and the hourly swing low, protected low opportunity that could present itself. That low is 992. That high is. Wow, that's a really small gap. I would almost market buy as soon as we sweep this and put a stop like literally 10 or less points below. Because you'd be getting in at 992 and your stop loss would be 8.4. You're talking about like an 8-point stop. You could just gamble with to see if we immediately reject. You'd have to hold that for a little while because there's a chance on the hourly that we create the swing low protected low. So price won't take out that middle low wick of the swing low, but it will come close, right? So you have to be willing to hold that out. Oh, little consolidation, a lot of just bullshit. Yeah, ES is definitely edging.
Yeah, it's edging me, man.
We're edging hard here.
Teasing.
It's gonna do it.
Yo, my fault, Levy.
All good, bro. No, it doesn't matter. All good. Totally fine.
We're trying to close the books this month. It's been busy over here.
Of course.
Did you catch the shorts this morning?
Yeah, caught the long before market open, and then bam, caught the bearish SMT dump. Went in at 9:30.
Yep.
Oh, sick.
And
I can
it's too
count on
free.
one hand how many times I've entered at market open.
I know. I know it's been a lot of that this week for sure.
Yeah, market.
But yeah, that was free. That was a good trade. Low risk,
Yeah.
insanely high reward. Where's Sam at?
Sleeping.
Oh my gosh.
Worst day to have slept in. He better not tomorrow.
He's gonna be pissed.
Yeah.
You'd be like, fuck, bro. It means sleep in. All right, I'll catch you tomorrow. Love you. Thanks like always, brother.
Bro, have a good morning. TJ Armo, when I entered that long, I started blowing up on my phone. Your phone's blowing up. Too popular. Looks like dodgy. I'm not gonna say that. Yeah, this fucking long is gonna play out. But I need ES to sweep Asia low. And I'll think about getting in, but I'm not chasing at this point. I need ES to sweep Asia low. Unfortunately, NQ is going, and it's really close to 50%, so it also could tap that and continue down. It totally could, especially where these are getting out of sync and we're acting rather bearish here. And this one's kind of creeping. That tells me that I think the market wants to go down, but NQ is kind of fighting for it. And we might finally get that dump. Yeah, Tesla's bearish on the day. Broadcom is. Meta is a little. Amazon is. Apple's about break even. You're long? Okay, that's good. Let's hope we blast through. Honestly, so for me, this isn't really it's not really shot. It's not like bad shots because like this is still consolidation went lower. This is still going in a general direction with NQ stalling and lagging above, which again tells me that we're probably high time frame going to continue going down, even just a little bit further to my levels. But the bad chop. So since market open, bad chop would be we didn't do all of this yet, or down here. These highs were taking out these before, but then not these, disrespecting, but here we're creating that wedge, and then we displaced, and we're just kind of grinding down. Um, it's not great PA, believe it's not, but this isn't. I wouldn't consider this like really shitty, choppy PA either, because there is a direction. Um, and I guess I would also call this shittier if you were considering Asia Low being swept the place for your reversal. So if you were in long here, I would kind of be pissed off as well. But I do believe Price wants to get down to here because there's even more liquidity below that. I just think it's a place where we want to go. There was just so much of a death candle here that we're either not coming back to this and we need more, or we need more to go back up. The 1 minute long on MQ is still holding. It would have been technically a break-even trade though. I was entering this next liquidity pool. It came down and hit the entry. So if you were a little bit more subjective and lenient on the trade, you'd still be in the long. But if you were very, very strict mechanically, you're not in this long anymore. You would have got out there, seen us come back through here. We didn't take out this low. 4-1. Oh shit, we did by a tick. Right there is your reentry. Oh, we just took out this low here, came into here. So if you were still married to being bullish, there's no good entry though. That's the only problem. That's the 15-second. It's not too clean, but there is that swing low. This one, yeah, you could have gotten back in here. Stop loss here. So that's holding. But yeah, I don't know. Looks awfully bearish here. Looks like some chop up to get into premium, then go bearish. That's how I would. That's how I think things are going. target if long. That's tough because look at this bearish gap. We already tapped the 50%, right? So we have a bearish SMT internally. I don't like internal SMTs. Just to start with that. I mean, if you're gonna hold your winners, right? If you're gonna hold the trade through, then you would hold to all-time high. I would TP at all-time high, and then hold a runner. You know, main TP all-time high, and then hold a micro or whatever, and trail stop by 10, 15 points, and just that's it. Because we're so close. We just had all-time high. This is probably, and it was sharp, right? Where it's the quick stop hunt pullback to continue the journey through all-time highs? Or did we just need that all-time highs? Was that just enough to get people in and in and in to longs to then reverse right there? And is that the highest high we are hitting for a long time? Those are my two thoughts. So I think for a target, you should definitely, well, first of all, you should be moving stop to break even, right? Hopefully you did that. You're in from down here, you're not chasing. And then, yeah, I think a good place for your target would be inside the short if we are to keep dumping. It's a very conservative TP. If you're married to longs and think that we are going to continue through all-time highs into tomorrow, because remember, there's still tomorrow, Friday, on the week, but the government shutdown still every bit so much happening. We're only like a day and a half in on the shutdown. The last one was over 4 weeks. Okay, so and things are a little more crazy, so you could expect at least a week or two, and then the potential for a shutdown longer than 35 days, just because of how fucking crazy things are. So I don't know if that keeps sending us more and more into all-time highs, or if the market makers, you know, the institutions, are purposefully buying through all-time highs and the shutdown to get people just buying fucking stocks and shit, and then they're gonna fucking flip that switch and have people fear sell in a loss. Yeah, it's certainly looking like the train has left the station. They were discorrelated where ES just needed to grab that sell side. It swept the Asia low, and it's going. The last chance we have is NQ. We remain discorrelated a little bit, divergent. NQ comes up, takes out the buy side IRL here. We deliver bearish. That's it. Otherwise, we're gonna just keep cruising into premium, and then just maybe chop for the rest of the morning into afternoon. So we need to see ourselves dump here. We need to see price dump. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go walk around. Because I'm not getting into this. Oh, my neck. I'm not getting into this trade. Oh. Oh. Come on. Come on, it's dumb. I'm tired. dump yet? No. Alright. God, this is boring. I'm telling you, at some point, NQ is going to do it if ES keeps up with this shit. I appreciate y'all waiting still and being patient. It's still 20 to 11 Eastern, so there's still 45. Still 45 minutes, a good half hour for a trade to present itself, for us to manipulate back down, you know? Because let's think about it. We had the death candle. We're creeping up. What's very plausible is we creep up enough and then all of a sudden, boom, continue the death candle to just a little bit lower low, right? Boom, to here. You know, we've all seen that before. We inch up, we take just the IRL we need, and then we come down and we actually have a nice delivery out of here. So that's what we're waiting for. Excuse me. Really? Really? Okay. I did. Okay. All right. Cool. Here we go. Dumpy dump. All right, we're getting a bullish SMT. Yes, it's swept a lot more. A lot more. Market split. I really wanted NQ to at least take the daily range, the daily low. Take that shit out at 25,001.50. Wait, what? 24,99250. Jesus. 24,99250. Yeah, still holding it. Yeah, I would hold Vision. If you're in the short, I would hold to at least the daily low, 25,000. Or I mean, honestly, like I would probably just TP at 25K or 24,995,992. I see it maybe taking that. There is more below. There is, but I think those are great spots because that'll be a big. Right here is a big reversal point once you sweep the whole daily range, and then here once we deliver 603. Oh well, that's on the Qs, right? You're in options, so you're doing options on the Qs. It says 603. We're at 6042. Yeah, I think. Yeah, the Qs can go lower. Your motor. Oh boy. I'm sorry to hear that. Wow. Still waiting. I still want a little more. Should be taken. There's that really nice liquidity pool, bullish fair value gap. I made an alert. So we're waiting. We're waiting. Ooh. All right, let's get excited. Get ready. Still want that hashed mark to get taken. Not taking longs yet. No. I'm not taking this long. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. It needs that. Ooh, that's a pop. Well, look at that. We did have a bullish SMT. ES swept a lot more. Fuck. The drop from all-time high, does that in itself act as an order block? Only if we close above the drop. So if this comes down, this is like a manipulation leg. We're gonna sweep sweep the sell side completely, deliver out of that gap. Yes, it's still pushing down. Come on, it's so slow. The time's not so great now. It's 11, 15, 17. Come on, Q. There should be a little bit more movement. Didn't close bullish. Anything. There we did. I'd like to see it when it does go down to do it quickly. Take out my alert, get a reversal. That's the long. Still got a chance here. Well, we pumped a little more, and now we have a bearish SMT. Maybe we're coming down now. Ah. I'm married to the sell side. It's not going to happen. Maybe. Might be a bull trap. That's what I would hope for, right? Because we want price to get lower, take out this alert, get into that bullish fair value gap. And we're making lower highs. We made a higher low here. So this is a little market structure shift. That's good. That's good. I gotta keep going. Come on, jump. We want longs. We want longs. We want a liquidity sweep of sell side, specifically here. Followed by reversal to all-time high. That'd be good. I'd be done on the week if we just got that. almost there. Oh shit. Oh, that's fast. All right. Come on, NQ. Come on. All right, so we have a great long opportunity playing out. If ES can sweep a little more, maybe take out this. Or just, it's already in a bullish SMT spot. And then if NQ can just come down and take out the daily low, and then just below that, take out that liquidity pool area, we are good for longs. Come on, fuck. It's gotta happen soon. I don't love that. We're getting close to lunch, noon Eastern. SMT. Yeah, I see the SMT. I still need NQ to sweep the daily low. I really wanted to. Yeah, but that's a good retracement long right there. It is. It is. Still hanging up there, but it kind of wants it, making lower highs, and we do have an SMT. I don't know if I'm worried about that. We gotta get under that. All right, we're heading down, heading down. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I'm not liking this. This is becoming a less good trade because we're exiting the New York AM session. Everybody knows that. You're assuming this risk. to take this trade, but we're super bled off. We'll be getting below the daily low. We'll be getting into that high time frame bullish gap after taking out high time frame lows. There's a protected hourly low potential. Yeah, I know, Vision. I know. Oh my God, it's still not doing it. Yeah, that's gonna, I think, deliver. Jeez. Nice, Ryan. Free trade. Bless me. looks like that's going to be it for the morning, guys. I think price wants to get back up there. If it hits, premium or somewhere, comes back down, we can look for the long. But I don't. This is going to keep going, and I don't want to just jump into it. So I think I'll end the live.